to have our 2 pilots here, 2 gunners, and you're going to be my engineers today.
2 pilots, you Monica.
Everyone here is assigned color green, okay? Color green. Please remember the color of green.
Alright guys, what's your flight color?
Green?
Green, alright, come on over. Have you guys with me over here. You're gonna be our pilots. Us 2, alright, my 2 gunners, you're gonna go behind the pilots.
I'm gonna be
engineers, you go behind the gunners. Have you guys been out before?
Yeah.
Awesome, you guys are both steering. You each have a joystick, it just follows how you fly, okay? You're gonna fly up and down, you're gonna steer left to right. Alright, if you wanna fly up, you're pulling towards you. If you wanna go down, you push away from you, okay? Gunners in the center, you're gonna push your flashing lights to shoot. Engineers will do the same, but to fix damage. You guys crash, they fix back there, so try not to crash. Head on down, good luck. Safe travel.
Welcome, my friends, right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Yes, just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Donaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go back on the road.
And supervise young ones. Por favor.
Oh my god.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm not doing it.
Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And pull forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Monica, press.
Lock onto us. Take evasive action. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's my choice. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I can't go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting.
I couldn't shoot.
I think I will let you turn the wheel. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Oh, yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here. Great job, Patrick. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is...
We're done. You only got 2? Remember? I got 2. What are you doing? I got 80%. I got 52%. What did you get, Val? I guess we got the same percent. We're a team. We got 80%.
Time for you to go. Don't worry, the payment is on the way.
Wait,
Trust
what did
me.
you get? 54? Oh, I got 54.
All available text. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
Bella, look for Bella.